MX5000 review real quick. I'm gonna teach you about some of its awesome features and why it's a great lean, mean choice for you if you're a price-conscious consumer who wants a heavy-duty deck. Check this thing out. First, you got bearings in this caster fork, not bushings. You got a heavy-duty big wheel. You got a big front bumper, heavy-duty frame. You got the big bad deck. This is a 50-inch deck. It has 3 spindles and it's made out of 50 yield strength steel. It's 10 gauge and it's fully fabricated and welded. Unlike a normal stamp deck, this deck's made to last. Has casters on every wheel. Did away with some of the things you don't need. They gave you a really nice seat. It's 2-tone leather. Sections, has a steel frame inside there. Has a 24 horse Kohler on it. Enough said. 24 horsepower. Do you need more than that? Come on. In conclusion, y'all, the Time Master MX5000 is a fantastic machine. It did away with the frills. It gave you the things you wanted, like a thicker, stronger deck made with better steel. Has caster wheels, has bearings where you need them, and it's just simple and tough. If you have a sandy or big Bahia yard, this is the machine for you. It's around $3,000 and you just can't beat it for the price. I've never seen one of the transactions go bad. They're made robust. This is a fantastic machine. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.